Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video I thought I would keep things simple and just show you two fresh symbols that I'm keeping an eye on for a move to the long side. Actually three. The first of which is right here with Home Depot. Now, as I mentioned, each of these will have a different nature to them because they all have the foundation of being in a daily squeeze, and that's one of the primary things that I look for when I set up trades, because it's the idea that the market is about to have a significant move. So in that way, it's a foundation for looking at these. In the case of Home Depot, I think that significant move will be driven by earnings, which is not anything out of this world to try and comment on, but it's to say I think that event will be what drives it. Okay, also with this level up here at 170, there's a couple different fly strategies that you can utilize to try and take advantage of this. One of the most basic is just your standard call side butterfly wrapped around 170, and that's one that I'll be looking to take advantage of with the squeeze as we get into next week. Another that's interesting is Netflix. And Netflix has been a little bit of a volatile ride this week, but I think it's at an area where you can start considering it. Notice the symmetry of some of these previous declines, where we have a swing high to a swing low that captures a lot of the resemblance of what you see during today's action. So on Monday, when we get fired up, if you get a gap higher in Netflix, I think that's the point where you could start buying it, set your stops against Friday's low, and see what that will give you. So that's the second squeeze that I'm going to be keeping a close eye on Monday. And a third is one that we discussed in a previous free video that I shared here with you guys. And the setup is here again. So with MU, we are looking at this on this most recent pullback down into symmetry where we had a squeeze, and now the pattern has basically repeated itself. We have symmetry, we've come down into having another intraday squeeze, and I think you're looking for another fresh new high here in MU. So depending on where it opens, you may have more edge than, of course, if it gaps up to 46, but keep that in mind on Monday, as I think we've got these three names. They're going to be headed higher. So I hope that helps. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you at the next free video.